Hello, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff, and if you've picked up one of DJI's new Neo quadcopters, you might be looking for something to carry it around in. This carry case from SunnyLife is designed to take not just the Neo, but the rest of the contents of the Fly More pack as well. This has a semi-rigid construction which finds a nice balancing point between a hard, heavy case and a soft, light bag. Inside the case are custom molded recesses for all your kit, plus on the top a obligatory zip mesh pocket for the rest of your gubbins. The multi-battery charger, the controller and the aircraft itself all fit neatly into the bottom of the case. Just remember to unscrew the control sticks and store them on the bottom of the controller, otherwise you won't be able to close the case. And there's a nice comfortable handle which extends out, so no nasty mesh carry straps here. All in all, this is a decent little case that should keep your new quadcopter safe as it travels to its next adventure, or just keep the dust off, or protect it from being knocked off shelves by passing cats whilst at home. So I've been Jeff, that was the SunnyLife case for the DJI Neo, and this has been the Mammoth Tech Show, and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.